Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with project share as well as a customer request. So I had some requests for some of these envelopes. I sell those in 6-packs, and then I use, this is part of my 3-set die set. Let me show you the other one. I mentioned it before in my other video. These are the 3 dies that I got from HSN by X Cuts. Friends at the Heart Finds, and World of Yours. The World is Yours. Those 3 for $10. So I'm glad I picked them up. I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but I did pick them up. And I'm glad I got them. I used a special delivery die. This is a Tonic Studio die. I haven't put my labels up on it, but it's Tonic Studio. And then I used this With Love, Hello, and I'm missing one of the other ones. Where did I put that? It's somewhere on my desk, but you'll see it. So I was building my stash as well as making something for a customer. So the customer wanted one special delivery, which special delivery doesn't have to be baby, because that's what I thought it was initially, but she just said special delivery, like as in here's a gift to you, happy meal or rack or whatever. So I made it in the pink on pink for her, and then I made it in the blue on blue for me to build my stash. And so that one's for her. Special delivery could be for a baby shower, but that also can be for just some goodie mail. But hers is for goodie mail. But I'm just saying that could go for either one, because I think when I got the die, that's what I was thinking. Oh, special delivery baby shower. But we used it for that for her. This one is for another customer, and this one says just a note, so it's 2 each one of those, with love and hello. Where's the other hello? So 2 hellos, 2 with love, and 2 just a note. And then these, I just was building my stash. And this one says the heart always finds its way, and this is white, of course, with red. Again, so, but if anybody wants to buy these, you can also buy them as well. The heart, again, I just read it, is always, the heart always finds its way in love. And then I made these, friends always close at heart, blue and the yellow. And then this one is blue and silver, like a shimmery paper, not silver, but it is silvery. No, it's white, but it's a shimmer to it. Friends always close at heart, white and the blue. So it's the white and the blue, the blue and the yellow, the red and white, then the white on red. It's easy just to, you know, do the opposite stuff when I'm making them. And then the little black and gold, and then the pink and the blue. So that is what I have to make this week. Some is my project share, and some, like I said, for customers. But if you are interested in one, just hit me up. Alright, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.